It's so busy now the time, but yeah, I appreciate you like spending some time with me today. And then I mean, because some of you I haven't met before, so I would like to have a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Diệp Nguyen, and I received my PhD in Educational Management Studies and Research from the University of South Florida. And I love teaching, and I have opportunity to teach and co-teach statistics and measurement courses for about 8 semesters. I also have experience like doing consultancy for the college education faculty and graduate students. And I also like join research team and also collaborated with interdisciplinary researchers to conduct studies. So that's some brief information about me. And that would be my main part today. And the topic of my teaching presentation today is about Intro to Independent Means T-Test. And because it's an undergraduate course, it shows about statistics, but because I do not know the students, I would like to make some assumption for my students. So I would think that the student already has some basic math from like a math class, like math 141 or math like 166 or equivalent as student in senior or junior level, and they may be like different in terms of their comfort level with statistics, like maybe student from our department, maybe they are more comfort. That's assumption. And also, I also assume like students come from different programs across college education and human development. So now it's the plan for our lesson today. So today we will go through some recap from last class, because I want to also refresh something we have learned last week, and also to make some connection with what we are going to learn this week. So the second part, I will go to the new topic, which is the independent means t-test. And also I would like to walk you through the steps to calculate the t-statistic. And it's going to be fun part. We have some activities about that. And also the last part would be like how to make conclusion based on the result of the independent means t-test. So that's the plan. So first, let's do some recap. So last time we talked about the research hypothesis and the null hypothesis. And I hope you still have something like recall something. So let's do some example. Like for example, look at I would have some hypothesis, and then you would determine if like work with your neighbor, and then discuss if this is hypothesis, research hypothesis, or it's gonna be statistical null hypothesis. So in the real class, I will let students maybe to discuss with their neighbors to talk about like first one, for example, some students may think the innovative teaching method is more effective than the traditional teaching method, and they may think, oh, this is gonna be research hypothesis, and then yeah, they got it right. And then the second, you have a scenario, the hypothesis, maybe the level of anxiety for boys is the same as for the girls at elementary school, and it is the null hypothesis. I hope they got it right too. So, and then the third one could be like another research scenario where the researcher makes interested in examining if doing pilots, like people from in sport management, or like if like doing pilots exercise is more effective than doing yoga in improving functional movement. And what do they think? Is that the research hypothesis or is the statistical null hypothesis? And then next step, and in summary of the recap, then we often like as a researcher, if you